Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a multisig wallet with Metamask signatures step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Metamask website. Install the Metamask extension if you haven't done so already. Create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Once your wallet is set up, make sure you are logged in. Connect your Metamask wallet to the Multisig wallet platform you are using. This platform might include options like Gnosis Safe or similar multisig solutions. After connecting, navigate to the section for managing signatures. Here, you should see the option to add a signature from your Metamask wallet. Click on this option to initiate the signing process. A Metamask pop-up will appear showing the transaction details. Review the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking the Sign button. Once signed, you may need to confirm the transaction again in Metamask. After signing, the Multisig platform will typically display a confirmation message. You may need to repeat the signing process for additional wallets if required. After all necessary signatures have been obtained, finalize the transaction on the Multisig platform. Monitor the transaction status in both your Metamask and the Multisig wallet interface. Once confirmed, your transaction will be successfully authorized with the Multisig wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.